Alright, good day student. As you can see, you are given a problem involving finding the value of other root. You are given that one is a root of the equation 5s squared plus ks minus 3 is equals to 0. So how do we find the other root of the equation? The first thing you have to do is to know is the highest power here, or the highest degree power here is 2, which means that the given equation is quadratic. If you know one of the root, then the other root we are looking for is only one root. If this is 3, we'll be expecting to find 2 root more, or if this is 4, we are expecting to find 3 root more. But in this case, we are looking for one other root. So in order to solve this type of problem, we have to consider the factor theorem. So by factor theorem, if x plus c is a factor of a given function, in this case let the function be f of x, because what we are looking for here contain x, is a function of x, then in this case we have that f s equals to minus c will give us is equals to 0. If this is a factor of this function, then f of x equals to minus c will be equals to 0. So what does that mean? It means that if 1 is a factor of this given function or equation, this implies that f of s equals to 1 will give us 0. That means whenever we see s in this equation, we put 1. So by doing that, we have 5 in bracket 1 squared plus k 1 minus 3 is equals to 0. So from here you have 5 plus k minus 3 is equals to 0. So 5 minus 3 will give us 2 plus k equals to 0. 2 going to the other side, you have that k is equals to minus 2. So once we have gotten k, we can write this equation to be equals to, we have noted that k is equals to minus 2. So let us rewrite the given equation. So by doing that, we have 5x squared. Whenever I see k, put minus 2. Minus 2x minus 3 is equals to 0. So since we obtained that k is equals to minus 2, so let's go into finding the other root of the equation. Let's find the other root of the equation. We can do that using factorization method, since we notice that this equation can be factorized. So we have, in this case, we have 5s squared, so we have 5s squared minus 2x minus 3 is equals to 0. Minus 2s minus 3 is equals to 0. We need to factorize this so that we can be able to find the other root. To do that, multiply the first term by the second to the last term. We have minus 15s squared. Find two numbers or two terms. When you add them, they will give us minus 2x, and when you multiply them, they will give us the product of the first and the last term. In order to easily do that, we have to use long division to see the factors of this product of first term and the last term. So let's start by minus 3x. Minus 3s divided minus 15s squared divided by minus 3x. We have 5x. So 5x divided by 5x give us 1. So we say that if you multiply these two terms, multiplying it, you give us minus 15x squared. If we add them, if we add the two, this one will give us plus 2x, which is not equal to the second term. So change the sign. you have to change the sign so that this will become plus and this one will be minus. So let's try it. Hope you are following. Let's multiply the two terms, plus 3x multiplying 5x, and that gives us minus 15x squared. Add the 2, plus 3x minus 5x, and that gives us minus 2x. So these are the two terms that we use to replace minus 2x. See how easy it is? So these are the two terms we use to replace this value here. Let's do that. So this implies we have 5s squared. Whenever it's 2 minus 2s, you put this 2 term plus 3x minus 5x. You can clean here. Minus 3 is equals to 0. So we can now factor out terms that are common to these two and these two. Terms that are common to these two is x. You bring it out and open bracket, have 5x plus 3. Terms that common factor between 5 minus 5s and minus 3 is minus 1. You bring it out, you have 5x plus 3 is equals to 0. So complete the factorization, you have this value. Alright, sorry. So, and that is equals to 0. The next thing you have to do is to equate each of the factors to 0. So this implies 5s plus 3 is equals to 0, or s minus 1 is equals to 0. So from here have 5s minus 3 going plus 3 going to the other side, have minus 3. So divide both sides by 5. And when you do that, you have this will cancel out to give us only x. So s is equals to minus 3 over 5, or minus 1 going to the other side, have 1. And this is already been given. It's already been given. If 1 is a root of the equation, find the other root. So the other root is minus 3 over 5. Therefore, the other root is minus 3 over 5. So do you have any question? That is what you are required to solve. If you enjoyed this video, before you go, please please do me a favor. Subscribe to my channel to encourage me. If you want to prove it, you can prove this to be true. Can we do that? Now we have that k is equals to this, and we have that 1 is the root. So let's check it. Although we are through with it, but let's do something here to check whether our answer is correct. If our answer is correct, the result will be equal to 0. So we have 5s squared plus ks minus 3 is equals to 0. This is given. We start by finding k to be equals to minus 2. So put it here. I have 5x squared minus 2x minus 3 is equals to 0. We are told that one of the root of the equation is 1. So put 1 whenever you see x, put 1. S equals to 1. So put s whenever you see x, put 1 in this. You have 5 minus 1 squared plus 2 minus 2 multiply 1 minus 3. So solve the result. If the result is equals to 0, then the truth is that k is equals to minus 2 when s is equals to 1. So in this case, we have 5 minus 2 minus 3. So mind you, minus 2 minus 3 is minus 5, and then bring this 5 here. So 5 minus 5 is equals to 0, which means that s is 1, k is minus 2 when s is 1. Is it not? 5 minus 2 is 3. 3 minus 3 is 0. So that means that the left hand side is equals to the right hand side. So the second thing is here we have 5x squared minus 2x minus 3 is it equals to 0. So in this case, when s is equals to minus 3 over 5, put it here. We have 5 in bracket minus 3 over 5 squared minus 2 in bracket minus 3 over 5 minus 3. So solve this. You have 5 times 9 over 25 minus is plus 6 over 5 minus 3. So this can cancel out to give us 9 over 5. So here you have plus 5 times 3 will give us 15. So 6 minus 15 divided by 9. I hope you are seeing it. So from here you have 9 over 5. 6 minus 15 will give us minus 9. So minus 9 over 5. Notice that minus 9 over 5 minus 9 over 5 is equals to 0. So therefore this is also one of the root of the given equation. You see how you can check your answer? When the left hand side is equals to right hand side, we started by proving it from the unknown. This is already given to be 0, so we have to substitute our values we obtain from the left hand side, which we did here. We know that k is equals to minus, so we put it here and substitute x, and we'll solve it all the way to prove that from the left hand side is also equals to the right hand side. So we prove that the left hand side, which is equals to 0, is also equals to 0, already given. So 0 is equals to 0 is a true statement. Therefore, our other root is equals to minus 3 over 5. If you enjoyed this lesson, give it a thumb by subscription. Subscribe to my channel to encourage me to bring more videos for your views. Like and share others will be aware of this free video I'm giving to you. See you in the next lesson. Bye for now.